Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Amalia Putri, 2023-32169 from the Information System Class C. I will explain about footprinting and network scanning. What is footprinting? Footprinting is the first step before an attacker carries on an attack, which is to gather information about the target, the purpose of which is to assembly what is found or the blueprint of a network, so that he gets a clear picture of the target security system. The information displayed in this activity can include company history, domain names, VPN or virtual private network, links, number phone number, names of people involved in the company email address, relationship with with other company location, topology maps, and other important information. Footprinting methodology. Number one, exploring initial information. Number two, search for information on the range of network users. Number three, search for active computer. Number four, search for open port and the presence of access point. Number five, US fingerprinting. Number six, fingerprinting service. Number seven, network mapping. Vulnerability risk countermeasure. Vulnerability is a weakness in the network system that can be exploited by hackers to carry out attacks. Risks are anything that can cause an attack or disruption to system. Attack or disruption to system. Examples such as malware, ransomware, and phishing. Risks is the potential for something unwanted to happen, such as a cyber attack, system error, or security weakness. Control measure in network security or countermeasure to deal with threats to the network. A strategy is needed to prevent and reduce the system from attacks. Okay, let's go straight to the footprinting practicum. First, we will open command prompt on a laptop. After that, we will find out the local IP that we ask by using the ipconfig command. By running the ipconfig command, we will know MAC address, DHCP, DNS, rest time on DHCP. After knowing the information on the network, I use the nmap or network mapper command, which aims to collect network information and connected to device we are using. When doing nmap, we will know the IP we are target, the port that is open, the operating system detect, and the scanning we will do. After doing the nmap command, then I will do the nmap sn command and enter the gateway IP. When doing ipconfig professionally, the default gateway IP in the wireless LAN section was the nmapsn command is used to perform a ping scan without checking the port, and this can also find out whether the IP we are using is active or not on the network being used. After doing the nmapsn command, I will do the next command, namely nmapss, which is the IP address on the wireless LAN adapter. Which is scan, which is used to gather information without attracting the attention of the target system. The next step is to enter the ns lookup command according to the ns that we will try. This time I tried using youtube.com. In the picture, Above, I try to the NS query to get the domain on YouTube. The last step is to trace the destination DNS, namely youtube.com, in the picture above. The tracer result from YouTube where I can trace the route from the server to YouTube, but there are several networks that do not respond or time out requests. Network scanning and vulnerability scanning. What is scanning? Scanning is the step after fingerprinting in penetration testing. Scanning is a systematic method as to collect information related to system, host, and service in a network and a computer. Scanning techniques identify open port, active service, and potential vulnerability that can be exploited by unauthorized parties. Scanning destination. Identify active device and the percent of host. Open port mapping, service enumeration, US fingerprinting or operating system recognition, network mapping, vulnerability identification. Perform network scanning and vulnerability scanning. The first step, we open command prompt on the laptop. After that, we will find out the local IP that we asked by using the ipconfig command. By running the ipconfig command, we will now MAC address, DHCP, DNS, and last time on DHCP. After knowing the information on the network, I use the Nmap application to perform network scanning and vulnerability scanning at the initial step. I will ping scan. On target IP, we ask the default gateway IP on the local network. The host in the status log active, which means that the device is available on the network. After doing in a ping scan, we will do a regular scan. In the regular scan, we ask IPv4 for on the wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. The function of the regular scan itself is to check for open port and provide service running on the target IP. The host status is active and also show the device and is on the local network. Next, I will perform an intent scan, which can provide the IP result than a regular scan. The mode collects detailed information about the target, port, service, and also indicators to operation system use. In the picture above, you can analyze that there are 6 open port and total 100 scan port and provides access service to SNB, VMware, and PostgreSQL. Next, I will do an intent scan all TCP port using the same IP as regular scan and intent scan. Normally using IP4, the function itself to get in-depth information about the target and detect open port and running service. Identify US system, perform script scanning. That's all I can say. Thank you.